Okay, well, let's spin up the Quizatron 9000.
Quizatron 9000.
So there are 5 questions. If you want to keep track of your answers, go ahead and write them down. We'll talk through the questions first, and then we'll go through the solutions in the solutions video. Question 1. Why are some popular contributed modules not in core? Check all that apply. A. They don't meet 50% of all use cases. B. They were not ready in time for a major Drupal release. C. They don't include translations. Or D. They were not created by a respected developer. All right, question 2. Which contributed module releases get security advisories? A. Development releases. B. Alpha releases. C. Beta releases. D. RC or release candidate releases. Or E. Stable releases. Question 3. The word admin is a secure username. True or false? Question 4. Which core module is responsible for adding the responsive toolbar at the top of the screen? A. Coffee. B. Toolbar. C. Admin toolbar. Or D. Node. And question 5. What was the text of the quick edit link that we clicked to remove the site title? A. Edit title. B. Edit view. C. Edit block. Or D. Edit content.